Check out these mini twists I use using Afro Kinky Bulk Human Hair from Hot Braids. The company sent me 5 packs of the natural black bulk human hair Afro Kinky in 22 inches. It came in a silk bag and 5 bundles inside and some other goodies as well. It came in a hairnet. The hair texture is super lightweight, fluffy, and has beautiful kinks in it. One bundle was composed of 3 layers. I love working with stretch hair, so I recommend stretching it before installing. And also prep the hair. Get you a rack and go ahead and section out your hair so that way you don't have to do it while you're doing your hair. It saves so much time. I can't lie to you guys, I'm going to be honest. This install took me 2 days. First day was prepping, second day was installing. I recommend prepping your parts as well. Go grab you some clips to get your pre-parted hair out the way to begin the process. This is the braid in method where you just braid the hair in a little bit and then begin to twist. Once you're done braiding, split your real hair into 2 and use a curled pudding to twist down and add a little bit of water to give it some slippage. This was my styling cream of choice, and I just used it all the way down to the ends to give it a nice clean finish. This is a regular twist, y'all, nothing special. You can get anyone to help you do these twists. Very important to twist the hair all the way to the ends and finish it off with the curl defined pudding. Yeah, I was feeling myself. Look at those curls, real cute, fluffy, light, everything that I was looking for in some mini twist. I can't deny that I really was happy with my results. It wouldn't be me if I wasn't going to play in my hair and see what kind of styles I was going to do with this hairstyle. 22-inch was perfect for me because I was able to do all kinds of styles with it. I can do a half up, half down, pinky tail, ponytail, updo. The styles are endless. I'm curious, would you try this style at home and save some coins and do it yourselves? Let me know. This style is too cute for me to be inside the house. Your girl is outside. Bye.